opening some presents, Nora? Are you opening some presents, Nora?
Come on, Nora. Here, I see it right here. Yeah, pull that. You got sort of stuck. Okay, pull right here. Nora, pull. Pull. Can you grab right here and pull? Yeah. Okay. Oops. Here. Yeah. Oh, they're books.
That's a good one to read. Oh,
I'm a big sister.
Yeah.
What's that one? Elmo's Seasons. Here, Mommy, open that one up for you.
She seems to like I'm a big sister.
Yeah. We got that because you're going to be a big sister. Yeah, Mommy has to. There we go. Oops, hold on, sweetie. Yeah. There you go. Elmo. And then you want to open see the next. There's a puzzle on that page, just like the jigsaw pet. Okay. Then you got I'm a big sister. Oh, what? Elmo's winning. What about this one? Do you remember this? Grandma had this one too.
Oh, Nora, remember that book? Get to the fun page.
Nora, watch. Alright, Mommy's got to get this one open. Hold on. Yeah. Sure. Why don't you work on that one? Opening that one. Daddy, can you help her open that one?